What do we talk about today? So first of all, we talked about food. Nutrition's probably the biggest thing. You've got to have the proper nutrition, eating the right things. I can tell you folks, a tip here is that you can eat more if you eat better. You can eat vegetables all day and still have only 100 calories. So if you want to eat more and you don't want to scrimp on how much food or how full you're going to feel, then eating more vegetables is a good way to do that. I know everybody says that, but it really is a good way to figure out what's going on with you and how that works. So you've got vegetables. You've also got, more proteins, chicken, beef, that kind of thing. I will leave that to you because I really think that's nutrition. But understanding how many calories you're taking in, eating, I find when I don't eat good meals, I start to snack, and that's where things go off the road. So eating, 3 meals a day and then eating, proper stuff in between is a really good way to do that. Once you get past the meals, exercise is the big thing. Making sure that you're exercising, whether it's exercising around the truck or whether it's walking, whatever you can do is a great thing to do. That really, you need to build that muscle. The muscle eats calories, so the more muscles you build, the better you're going to feel. So start working with that, especially as truck drivers. You got to get out of the truck. You got to get into walking and doing those kind of things and moving around more, because circulation issues are a whole another issue with truck drivers. So get out there, do some exercise, whether you use one of the programs we've interviewed, whether you have your own program going, or whether you just like to walk. Do what you like to do and just get it moving. That's probably the biggest thing. And try to do that 5 times a week. Build it into your schedule so that you're doing it regularly, so you're not fighting with it and trying to make it happen. If you like to walk outdoors, walk outdoors. If you like to work out in the truck, work out in the truck, those kind of things. Getting proper sleep. This is one thing that truck drivers really have an issue with. Make sure you're sleeping properly. I know nowadays, I used to get on the road 4 and 5 hours of sleep, wondered why I was tired a lot. Now I know I need 8 hours of sleep, 7-8 hours of sleep, and I always try to get that whenever I can. So getting a proper sleep schedule, I know that's difficult on the road, but getting that, trying to do that is going to be a big thing. And then I want to talk a little bit about this, which we didn't really talk about here, but I do have a whole episode on this on the podcast, is mental health. And mental health is something that's important to all of us. It's also very hard to do, and especially if you're alone, it can be hard. You may not have somebody to talk to. But listening to things like podcasts, when I work out, I like to listen to podcasts. I actually have a goal to listen to uplifting podcasts at least once a month, if not more. And so just maybe finding some of those things that can help you feel better and hit your goals while you're working out. So your working mind and body is a great way to do that too. Find a place to, relaxation. If you like to, on the road, if you know there's certain areas where there's nice parks or something and you can park a truck there, that's a great way to get out and go for a walk and just to improve your mental health. And if something's really bothering you, try to talk about it and get some help with it for sure. Okay, so there you go. So that's our episode for today. Hope you get healthy. That's some tips to get healthy for 2025.